You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to solve the problem that is displayed at the right hand side of the screen. And if you look at the problem closely, you see that it is a figure. And the question that is associated with this figure says that draw full size in first angle projection the following views of the component shown in the figure A1. Roman figure 1, elevation in direction of arrow F. Roman figure 2, end view in the direction of arrow S. Roman figure 3, plan view in the projected from view I above. And what is view I above? That is the elevation. Is that okay now? Now the first thing you do when you see a figure this way, what you've seen from the right hand side, I have reproduced them on my drawing sheet, right? To enhance our understanding. Now, the first thing you will do when you are given a question to draw in orthographic projection is for you to draw your quadrant, right? And that is you draw your vertical line, you draw your horizontal line. Where they meet the origin, you're going to measure 5 millimeter up, measure 5 millimeter down, measure 5 millimeter to the right, and also measure 5 millimeter to the left. Then you draw lines across those points. This is how I got this. Is that okay now? Now, after you've done that, I would like to, this is the first thing you do, so let me now explain how I come about these views here. The more we are done with that, then I will now show you how you can arrange them. The way you arrange these views in this quadrant will determine if it will be first angle projection or third angle projection. But this question says we should draw in first angle projection. So I will tell you the difference between the first angle and the third angle projection. Now, if you look at this figure from here, it says direction of F. This is direction of F, meaning that you'll be focusing only on this direction, focusing perpendicular to this direction here. And when you look here, you cannot see the top, you cannot see the side. You only be seeing the front, right? You have no business with other side except from the side. Now, if you look here, you see this from here to here, which is from here to here. You see from here to here, which is from here to here. You see here to here, which is here to here. From here to here to here to here is from here to here to here to here. From here to here is from here to here. From here to here is from here to here. And from this point here to this point here is from this point to this point here. Then this line here is this line here. Are we together now? Now, these hidden features you're seeing here is telling me that what? If I'm looking from here, I cannot see this because it's at the top. But to show that this is going through, I use my hidden line to show hidden features. Similarly, there's a circle here. I cannot see it looking from here because here is free. But I'm showing an hidden line to show that what? There's a through this figure here. Are we together now? So this is looking at the direction of direction F. Are we good? So what you are expected to draw is this. Is that taken? Now, if you come here also, the side elevation here, the side, that is, we call it the end view. If you look from the front here, from this side here, perpendicular to this face here, you see this from here to here, which is from here to here, from here to here, which is from here to here. It is smaller from here to here, is from here to here. It is smaller because it's inclined and we are drawing it on a plane. Are we good now? So if I say that this point is A, automatically here is what is A. Similarly, I will see from here to here, all this side here. So if I say here is B, automatically this side here is B. Are we good? Now, this hidden line you're seeing here is this back line here, this line here you're seeing here. This and this on the same line. So if you look at it, you can't see it on the front. So I'm using hidden line to what? To denote it. Are we together now? So that part is here. Now the next thing is this hidden line you're seeing here is this you're seeing here at the back. Looking from the front, you cannot see the back. So you are using this hidden line to show that what there's a through at the back. And it moves from the top to this level here. That's why I moved from here and I stopped here. Now from here to here, which is from here to here, is from this point here to this point here. Can you see that? Now from here to here is from here to here. From here, all this part you're seeing here is all this part you're seeing here. Since there's a circle in between, there's a circle here. You can see the circles. So this is what we have looking at from front. It must be on a plane. Now, looking at it from the plan, right? You see all this part here, which is from here to here to here to here, and this is here to here to here to here, and that is my A here. So that is my A. I will see this shape here, which is this shape here. From this point to this point is from this point to this point. From this point to this point is from this point to this point. Now from here to here is from here to here. So it looks smaller, this inclined here. That's why it looks smaller. Altogether, you've seen an inclined line as a straight line in orthographic projection. Are we good now when you're looking perpendicular to that direction? Now this hidden line you're seeing here is this hidden line here. You cannot see it looking from the top, so I use the hidden line to denote it. This other hidden line here, you see here, is this here. You cannot see it from the top, so I use the hidden line to denote it. All together. Then this hidden line you're seeing here that's going through, that stops here, is this circular figure that moves through and stops at the side here. So this is how I come about the views associated to this figure here. Now, drawing these views on this our quadrant here will tell us if it is first angle or third angle. If I draw my elevation here, which is this, means I want to start drawing in first angle projection. So let's start with that and see. So I'll take this from here to here is this to this, and that is 18. I'll start measuring from here, 18. So let's measure 18 from 0 to 18. From 0 to 18, right? So I can just first of all take the entire length here. The entire length from here to here, which is from here to here, is 30. So what I'll just do simply is I'll measure the 30. From 0 to 30 is here, and I'll take it up. Right? And I'm going to what? I'm going to take it up. So you just take it from here, take it up. And the entire height from this point to this point is from here to here, and that is 40, which is what we have. You measure your 40 from this point here, from 0 to 4 is 40. And I'm going to close it up. Can you see that? Now I've done that. So I'll now measure the 18 from this side, from here to here, which is from here to here, and that's 18. So I'll measure the 18 from 0 to 18. I can just stick in it. You can see that? Then I'll take that part up. And from here to here, which is from here to here, is what? 15. And I'll start from here and I'll measure 15 downward. So from 0, 15 here, which I'll just stick in once and for all to enhance, to make it faster. Then I'll close it up here, touch here, because it is touching here. Then I'll bring it down here. Can you see that? And the next one is from here to here is from here to here, which is given from here to here, and that is what? 18. Right? So I'm going to measure 18 again here, from 0 to 18. And I'll tick in it. Can you see that? Then from this point to this point, which is from this point to this point, and the same thing as this point to this point, and that is what? 6. So I'll measure 6 from 0 to 6, which I will join this point to here. Can you see that? Now, similarly, from here to here, which is from here to here, and the same level as from here to here, is given as what? 6. So I'll measure 6 again. From 0 to 6. right? Then I'll take it in. And also from here to here is also from here to here, and that is 6 too. So I'll measure 6, 0 to 6. I'll take it, then I'll take it down. From here to here is from here to here, and that is what? Here to here, and that is 12. So I'll measure 12. 0, 10, 11, 12. Yeah. So I can just stick in it once. Then I'll take it in here, right? And I'll take it down here, as shown in this diagram you see from here to here. So the hidden line is, I can just get, if I take this to this point, just faint line a little bit here. See what I want to do? And I want the center of that figure. So if I join the diagonals from here to here, faint line, and from here to here, this is the center of the figure. So I'll just draw a line to pass through that figure like this. So it means that since from here to here is given as 4, the diameter of the circle, so from this point here I'll measure 2 up and 2 down. So I'll just draw my hidden line and also draw my hidden line. Can you see that? Similarly, the next one again, as we were told here, from this point to the center of this figure here, right, is given to be 12. How good? From that point given to be 12. So I'm going to get the center of that figure. And that is given to be what? It's given to be 12. Is that taken? So I'm going to measure 12 from here, from 0 to 10, 11, 12 here. That is the center there, right? So I will now measure 7, so I'll measure 7.5 to the left and 7.5 to the right. I mean 3.5. 0, 1, 2, 3.5 here. 0, 1, 2, 3.5 here. So I'll just bring it down. And it's going to touch the figure. This 3.5 here. It will be this, then this one here too. To be this. Can you see that? So now what else again? And that's all we have there. So you do the needful by putting your dimension in. So this is what we call the front elevation, the elevation looking at the direction of arrow F. That's what we have here. Now the next one is what? The end view in the direction of arrow X here. So this is what you're going to draw. So what I will just do is, once you can get this correctly, the rest is easy. So we're drawing in what? In first angle projection. So in first angle projection, the plan is always under the front elevation. So I'll put it here. I'll take this down. Right? So what I'll just do here is, the thickness from here to here is from here to here, and that's given to be 28. So I'm going to measure 28 from here. 0 to 28. Right? Which I'll just take in once and for all. And I'll come here too, taking this once and for all, just to save our time. Then I'll close here too. Right? So I'm drawing this now. So what I'll simply do here, this will tell me what I need. I've already explained that to you earlier. So this you see will just be there, straight line, right? Then this point here will be hidden. You can see on the same level. Then this, I'll just draw a straight line this way. From this, I'll draw a straight line this way, right? Then what else again? This point here will be hidden. And the next thing that we have here is I will now measure, because from here to here is given to be 16. So I'll get half of that figure there. We know half of the figure will be 14, but I like using this aspect of using my inclined line to get the center. So it's more accurate and more reliable. This is the center of the figure. Then I'll just take my set square and just draw this way. So meaning that this is the center of the figure here. So I will now measure um 8 to 8 upward, 8 downward. That will give me what I want. So this 6, 7, 8 here. This is 5, 6, 7, 8 here. So you can just close it up. Now come here too. I'll do the same thing. I'll come here too. I'll do the same thing. Then I'll come here too. Hope you can see that. Then what else again do we have? The center, the circle here that I explained earlier. It's just 2, 2. Since we have 2 mm here, also 2 mm here. So I'll just draw my hidden line. And it's going to be stopping where? At this here. So I'll have this. And here too. Can you see that? So what else again do we have? Nothing else again. So this is the plan, right? That is what our plan. So I've done number 3. This is our plan, looking the plan view projected from the view I. So this is the plan view projected from here. All together now. So this is our plan. Now the next thing is the end view. So the end view in the direction of Rx. So we'll just draw my 45-degree here at this point. Place it on your T-square. And you just from the center point here, you draw this 45-degree. And you project these two ends first. Right? And this last point here too. So those two ends, you take them up. So what I can see from my end view, from the beginning here, straight down is thickened. And also from the beginning here, straight down is thickened. Because they are meeting at this point here. So I'll just close it up. Also thickened. I'll come here too. Also thickened. So we know that looking at it from this side, I'm going to be having this line here, which will be thickened. Also, I'll have this two here, which will also be thickened, right? Also, I'll have this here too, which will be thickened. Then here will be hidden line. Is it here? Then where again? Then here, that is where my circle will be situated, right? So I'll draw the circle at this point. So meaning that if I should get the center of that figure, or I'll just use the center here to get that. This is the center here. So I'll just draw it. It's too small, so I'll just use my hand to get that out there. So that is radius of 8. So what else? Looking from this side, so this is what we have there. So this is the plan, the end view, and this is the front elevation, the end view, and what, and the plan, right? So this is in first angle production, like I promised. Um, don't forget to like this video if you have benefited from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to what, to share the video, and also comment if you have anything to say. Now, in third angle projection, the difference is that this, when the elevation comes down, automatically the end view will follow it down, and the plan will go up. Likewise, this inclined line will go up, but it will not be in this direction. So if you do it that way, meaning you are drawing in what? In third angle projection. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.